For goddamn sakes. For God's sakes. It's Artie. Monday morning after Who Gives a Shit Bowl Super Bowl. Mary, you are a bitch. You still smell like sour cream and onion, cunt. Let me tell you something, Mary. Get your head out of those ruffles, you ridges retard. Mary, he needs to get. No, I will not even say it. There are children streaming, and we know there are illegals watching. You know what I'm doing? You do even know what I'm doing. I may have a hot, but kind of cold, frozen, hot date with Jesus. No, we're doing. No, we're doing. You know we're going. No, we're going. You know we're doing. You know we're doing. You know what we're doing. You know we're doing. We know we gotta go do. We know we're doing. You know me and she's doing. You know we gotta go do. You know we do. We know we're going. We know we're doing. You know we're done. You know we're doing. You know we're doing. You really want to know what we're doing? We're going to you know we're doing. You want to know what we're doing? I'm probably going to Argentina, Mary. Rebecca Robertson, retard.